Good afternoon, everyone. In this class, we start in the computer applications in the UG program, 5th semester. On that one, we have to discuss the programming with the Java. So what is that? Programming with the Java. In the 5th semester, this is the core subject is there. So we discussed in the programming with the Java. So here, what is programming? What is programming? So whenever we insert introduction with the computer, so some, for example, language. What is that? Languages. Here some different languages is there. Other languages, we have to C language, C++, and Java. These are the programming languages. So what is that? Programming languages. C, C++, and Java. These are the programming languages. So what is main purpose of language? What is the main purpose of language? Language is nothing but communication between two persons. Yes or no? For example, Telugu language is there. So in Telugu, based on Telugu language, communicate between two persons. Yes or no? And English language is there. That is also communication between the two persons. So different languages is there. Languages are so many things. Okay, Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, so many languages is there. So those languages we are using, there we communicate to two or more members. Okay, coming to programming language. What is that? Programming language. Coming to programming language. So whenever programming language is coming, that is nothing but communicate between the system and user. Okay, communication between the system and user. Then automatically the computer will be understanding to the some programming language. The computer is taken by only zeros and ones. We can't understand to the users that numbers. Then the intermediate core will be generated in the some programming languages. We are using some communication between user to system. On that purpose, we are using the C language, C++ language, and Java language. Okay, these are the language, and Python also one of the languages there. Okay, we discussed in the later in the Python. Already we finished in the second semester. Okay, so here we discussed in the language. Okay, so what is the main purpose of programming language? Programming language is nothing but communication between the user and system. Communication between the user and system. That is the main purpose of programming language. So on that one, we have to so many languages is there in C, C++, Java, Python. So many languages is there. So different languages, different syntaxes is there. Then we have to communicate to the system with using of some of the code. Okay, so here we discussed the we have some syllabus in the block. How many blocks is there? So here 4 blocks is there. Okay, how many? 4 blocks is there. This is the block 1. This is the block 1 basic features of Java, and this is block 2 Java and OOPS concepts, and this is the block 3 additional features of Java, and this is the block 4 backend and front-end tools of Java. Okay, these are the our syllabus in 4 blocks. Okay, in 4 blocks. Each block we have unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. How many? 3 units is there. Okay, each block we have 3 units is there. Then here also 3 units, 4, 5, 6. Here also 3 units. So we have to discuss in briefly in the later sessions. Okay, here introduction to Java language. The first concept is nothing but introduction to Java language. So here we discussed the Java language. I want to show the some screen. Okay, just wait. So this is our official syllabus. This is our official syllabus. Let's share the link, share the image. So see this. So in our manual or book, this is the syllabus is there. What is the introduction to Java language? That is the first unit, and second unit data types. And third unit, Java operations and control statements. What is that? This is the 4 blocks is there in our syllabus in the Java. Basic features of Java. On that one, we have to discuss to the introduction to Java language and data types and Java operators and control structures. This is the first black one. Okay. After that, we discussed to the Java and OOPS concept. Here, we discussed to the introduction to classes and objects and additional features of Java hoops and inheritance and abstract classes. And third unit block, we have to discuss to the additional features of Java. On that one, packages and interfaces, and Java exception handling, and Java collections. Okay, these we discussed in the third block. And last block, we discussed to the front end and back end tools of the Java. So on that one, we how to connect to the Java database connectivity and AWT and event handling also we discuss, and Java virtual programming with the swing model. Okay, these are the main concepts of our syllabus. Okay, in this syllabus we have to discuss each and every point in the later sessions. Okay, today we will start the basic features of Java. What is that? Topic is basic features of Java. So here we discussed the basic features of Java. So I want to share some features of Java. Yes. So I close this slide. I want to share another. So this is the first topic of our syllabus. So here introduction to Java language. So whenever we discuss to the introduction to Java language, here introduction is there. On that one, we have some of the Java language, who is introduced in the Java language, and how which year is introduced them. Everything is there. So here the author name is James Gosley. What is that? James Gosley. So James Gosley is developed in the Java on 1991 year. Okay, on 1991 year. So James Gosley is developed on 1991 year in the Java programming. So which year? 1991. Who is developed in the Java? Author James Gosley. So this is the we have to some of the 1.0 version is there. That is the 1996 as a free and open source version. What is that? Free and open source version. This is developed in the James Gosley and open source software. This is nothing but open source software. It will be available by which year? 1996. Okay. On that one, we have to introduce in the Java. On that, some of the history is there, some evaluation is there, and features of Java also is there. So, what's the history? History means how many years it will be coming to the some Java. Okay, what is the processes going on to the Java? So that will be, I will share the slide. Okay. So here we discuss to the evaluation. Okay, history and evaluation and futures of Java. So here we observe them. In the 1991 year, James Gosley introduced in the Java. On that one, they are researching. Okay, they are researching, and we have to implementing the C++ languages. The better idea it will be coming to the some James Gosley Java development kit. What is that? Is developed the Java development kit, JDK. Okay, this is nothing but JDK. So this is JDK Java development kit. It will be some JRE is there and Java files. All of everything will be stored in the JDK kit. In this one, some of the we have to some GUI applications we developing and some in the 1998 year we have to Java 2 platform is coming. Okay, this is the history. Okay, and standard editions we will coming to the some enterprise editions also is there, and standard edition also is there, and we have to use it in the Java mainly the Java 8 package. What is the Java 8? That is the standard edition. Okay, the predefined package we are in the market available in the Java 8 package. Okay, I will share them through. So on that Java 8, the Java different packages will be coming, different versions will be coming. What is that? Versions, not packages, versions. Okay, versions. What is the main purpose of versions? Version means different things. We modify to the computer. So many available things we have adding. Then that is the versions. Okay, here nowadays we are using to the versions Java 11, Java 12, Java 13, Java 14. These are the different versions. Okay, Java 11, Java 12, Java 13, Java 14 is now available in March 2020. March 2020. Okay, these are the some Java availables. Okay, and features of Java. What is that? Next topic is features of Java. So where we are using nowadays in the Java platform. Okay, on the JDK. So we are using the platform independent. Okay, this is the features. Okay, platform independent. So what is the meaning of platform independent? So platform independent is nothing but once you write the code, whenever you have to write once and run anywhere. That is the platform independent. Here also is there. What is that? Write once and run anywhere. So this is the platform independent. So whenever this platform independent is there, then automatically Java is more popular. Why? Because in C and C++ languages, platform dependent. So what is the difference between platform dependent and platform independent? I will tell you. Okay, platform dependent is nothing but once you write the code, then execute the code, only that operating system will be executed. For example, I want to write the code from Windows operating system, then only Windows operating system, it will be execute the code. So that is the platform dependent. Coming to the Java, this is the platform independent. Independent means you have to write the code in the once in the Windows system, you have to execute the some Linux operating system or some more Polaris, some operating system. That is the difference between platform independent. Okay, this is the one of the best feature of Java. And Java also secure. What is that? Java also secure. So what is the meaning of secure? Secure means your network file will be accessing everything. It will be secure. For example, your bank statement is there, bank account is there, then that type of application so many industries they are using to the present situation in the Java. Okay, here we are industry including IBM. What is that? IBM also it will be using Java, Red Hat, IBM. So many industries they are using nowadays in the Java. Okay, and simple and safe. What is that? Simple and safe. Java is a similar to C and C++, but it removes the drawbacks and complicators. Okay, for example, in the C and C++, for example, some pointers concept is there that will be removing to the some that pointers is very difficult topic, that's why it will be removing to the some Java. So automatically the code will be simple and safe. Next, this is object oriented. This is the one of the best feature in Java. Object oriented. Whenever object oriented is coming, we have to create the object. Then you have to implement to the particular things. So that is the object oriented. In this object oriented, we discussed to the what is the class, what is the abstraction, what is the encapsulation, what is the inheritance, what is polymorphism. Everything we have to discuss to the object-oriented programming language. So one of the best language, what is that? Java is object-oriented language. Understood? So it is flexible also. In the Java 8 is the basic version in the standard version. So Java 8 is flexible. The Java is updated with the functional programming features like functional interfaces. So many expressions we have to nowadays we are using. So that is the flexible. Okay. And robust. Java also robust. So here there is no memory allocated to the variables. For example, platform independent is there is a pointers we have to using. There is no pointers using. Then automatically it will be using to the some platform independent. So this is Java also some garbage collection. We are using to the some recovery memory allocated. Automatically it will be handling. So that is nothing but automatically it will be working is nothing but robust. Okay, so that is the robust programming language. And Java is also fast. So whenever you write the code, you compile them, then automatically the code will be generated to the byte code. Then automatically the compiler will understand the Java virtual machine. What is that? Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine. JVM. JVM is nothing but Java virtual machine. Okay. JDK is nothing but Java development kit. So in this one, we have to Java virtual machine. It will be take the code and it will be convert to the code and it will be execute to the your program. So that is the Java application is full speed. Okay, fast means speed. Okay, and in multi-threaded also it will be we are using to the multiple programs. Then at a time we are using to the some Java with using of Java. So here some check your progress also is there. So how do you say Java is simple and safe? Then you have to write the simple. This is okay. So how to read them and how to write the answers. So that is the our features of Java. Okay. Then I will go to the next slide. So next topic. So this is the next topic. So here comparing with C++ and Java SC8. This is the topic is C and C++ and Java. What is the difference? These three languages. Okay. Here you observe them. Okay. Here some of the table given to the our textbook. Okay. So here structured code. C language is nothing but structured code with its original syntax rules. Okay. Here some structured language. So we are using the some syntaxes rules. Okay. And here compatible with the C source code and except for few special cases. Okay. And here mostly follows C++ and C syntaxes. Okay. Here the both syntaxes will be coming in the Java. Okay. And here doesn't support object oriented programming language, but here supporting the programming language in the C++. Okay. So that's the one of the feature in the C++. Here fully supported object oriented programming in the Java. Understood? Fully supported for object oriented programming in the Java. So there is no object oriented here. So here partially object oriented. This is fully object oriented. Okay. So there is the differences between C and C++ and Java. And once compile anywhere. Okay. Write once, compile anywhere. Same as C also. Write once, run anywhere, everywhere. Okay. Here differences between anywhere, everywhere is nothing. Here we are executing the only independent platform independent is nothing but Windows operating system. If you execute the query, then program, then automatically only that program, that operating system will be executed. Here also same thing. For example, if you have to develop the C++ code in the Linux system, then automatically that system, it will be a Linux operating system. You have to execute the query. But here, everywhere is nothing but you have to, once you develop the program in the Windows or Linux, uh, in the Windows, then automatically how to execute the, so anywhere is nothing but Linux, Polaris, some of the more operating systems. Okay, that is the difference between C and C++ and Java. This is the main difference. Okay, so here some allow procedural programming languages. Here also we have to allow the procedural programming language and functional programming languages and object programming languages. So these are the we have to use in the C++ language. And here also we have to use the object oriented programming language, procedural oriented programming language. Both we have to insert them. Okay, we have to use them in the Java. Runs as native executable machine code for the target machine instruction set. Here runs on a virtual machine. So Java JVM is nothing but virtual machine. But here, what is the target machine? Okay, what you are present, if you have to using that system, it will be executing. But here, virtual machine, once you have to write the code, then you have to execute anywhere in the Java. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay. So I will tell you more points in differences between C and C++ and Java. Okay, so many points is there. How to read them? Okay. So in C, C++ and Java. So these are the C and C++ and Java. I'm gonna write the code. This is C. This is C++, and this is Java. Okay, this is Java. Okay, these are the differences between C and C++ and Java. How to read them? You have to understand the topics. Okay. Here some boundary checking is there, and here some optional automated boundary checking is there. Here all operations required to be bounded check. Okay, and here assigned arithmetic support is there. In the same as arithmetic support is there, and Java also arithmetic support is there. Okay, standardized minimum limits. Okay, here both will be same in the C and C++. Same as is nothing but C and C++. We both will be same. Here some of the differences will be coming in the Java. Okay, so C and uh, C and C language. Okay, what is that? C language. Here, this is inheritance is not supporting in the C language. But here we have to some single and multiple inheritance classes. It will be supporting to the C++, and only support single inheritance of a classes. It will be supported in the some Java. So in this one, we have to discuss in the inheritance topic. You have to understand to the single level inheritance. Okay, and here templates not supported and parameterized type supported, and here parameterized type supported. So here so many differences is there in the here compiled into target platform, same as here also. Here compiled into platform independent is nothing but we have to execute to the queries in the different operating systems. Okay, these are the some differences between C and C++ and Java. How to read once, then automatically you have to understand. Here, one more point is important. Memory management is manual. Same here also manual. But here, automatic garbage collection is there. Okay, in this one, garbage collection we detailedly explain in the later sessions. Okay, these are the some differences between C, C++, Java. Okay, I want to go to another topic. So next topic is Java SE8 Standard Edition 8. Okay. So this is the basic edition. They are released in the Java Standard Edition. So we have to use it in this APIs. So we have to use it in the some of the programs. Okay. Here we have SE8, the Standard Edition. It will be execute the programming. So we have some JDBC connection, ODBC connection, Java database connectivity. JDBC is nothing but Java database connect. So it will be, we have to connect it to the some RDBMS system. Then automatically we have to use the data. Okay, retrieve the data, how to store the data, how to retrieve the data. Everything is there in the Java SE8. So that's why it will be popular in the Java in the market. So whenever you use the bank accounts, so then automatically the table format they will be giving to the your name and your surname and your date of birth and your mobile number. Everything it will be stored in the data or not. So on the data we have to processing to the some JDBC ODBC servers. Okay, the insert to the data, how to connect to the JDBC ODBC servers, and it will be everything is possible in the Java SE8. So this is the standard edition of Java SE8. On that one, we have to choose the different APIs. Okay. Next, we have to some block diagram. I want to show you the block diagram. It will be understand how to execute the query. Okay. So this is the block diagram. So observe here. So this is the block diagram of Java. So this is the block diagram of Java. So here you observe them. Okay. What is Java code? What is that? Java code. First, what you are writing in your Java, that is nothing but Java code. Okay. That your file will be generating text.java like this. We have to save to the file in the text Java. So that is the first step. Okay. So on that one, after that, we have to, this is the Java code. Once you code completed, then you have to compile the Java. What is that? Compile. Compile means once you compile the program, then automatically you user language to, it will be converted to the some bytecodes. Okay. So this is the next step of bytecode. Okay. Bytecode text classes. What is that? Bytecode. Whenever you compile them, then automatically the bytecode will be generated. That path name is nothing but class path. What is that? Class path. After class path, it will be loaded to the class. Loaded to the class. On that one, how to bytecode verified what is your program is verifying in the every line. Then after the Java interpreted checking to the errors. What is that? Checking to the errors. If any error is there, it will be Java interpreter is be line by line. It will be checking. Then automatically the after that the machine specify the runtime. Okay, what is that? Next step, the machine it will be runtime environment. It will be checking. Then after output will be coming. So these internal process is going on. Okay, this the internal processing is going on. We didn't see this process, but we have to internal process what will be going on. So this is the main thing. Okay, Java code and compiler and bytecode and class loader and bytecode prepare and Java interpreter and machine specific runtime. Okay, and then last thing is output. Okay, how to write the Java. So whenever you install to the JDK 8 package, then you have to write the Java. So we have to, before write the Java code, we have to some path. We have to select the some path. Path means location. Class path means location where you have to install Java. Then the path will be you have to uh, uh, set the path, then automatically the Java it will be run. There is you don't have any path setting. Java it's not working. Okay, compulsory you have to do the path setting. So on that path setting, I want to show the how to set the path. So whenever you click the right click in the mouse, then some system properties is it will be coming. What is that? System properties is coming. On that properties here environment variable. If you click on the environment variable, then another box will be coming. Here show the environment variables. So many variables is it will be showing. So here some class path will be there. What is that? Class path. You select them and then you click on the edit button. What is that? Edit button. If you click on the edit button, then automatically some other dialog box will be open. So in this one, so your variable name is nothing but class path. Variable value is nothing but where you are installed in the Java. Okay, that source file you have to copy them, here paste them and click on OK. Then automatically it will be class path will be set. Okay, set the class path. Okay, this is the process. Then after the class path will be set. Okay, this class, this is the class path. Okay, this is the class path. So then after we have to write the code in the Java code. Here some of the things is there. Okay, this is the notepad. We have to write the code in the notepad. Are so many IDs is also is there in the Java execution of the Java. So we are using the notepad also. It will be using. So here some import java.lang. What is that? The package we will import to the statements. Okay, import java.lang. Okay. So then after public class hello world. This is the my class declaration. Okay, hello world. What is that? Public class hello world. So this is the class. Okay, class declaration. Okay, hello world. So I wanna execute the program hello world in the Java. Whenever you give the hello world, then automatically it will be coming to the output of the hello world. Then open braces. Okay. Then after you have to public static void main. String args. Okay, this is the main method. What is that? Main method. So whenever you compile to the Java, then the cursor will be starting from main method. Then this blocks will be executed. Okay, after completion of your main method, you have to open to the open braces. Then system.out.println hello world. What is that? This is the character now. So we have to inverted commas, put the inverted commas, hello world. So this is the output statement. What is that? Output statement in the Java system.out.println. So then after my program is ended, then I want to close the main block and I want to close the class block. Okay, this is the program. Okay, this is the program. Then after how to compile the Java program. So you have to use the some Linux or Unix commands or Windows commands also. We are what is that? We have to some DOS commands also. We have to execute them. So with a .java extension, after writing these code in the notepad, then save, then the location will be asking that location you have to select them, which file, which software you have to install them, that particular location you have to select them. Then after the file name compulsory must shoot .java. What is that? For example, my world.java or my first program.java. My name Srinivas, no? Srinivas.java. Like this way, you have to save the file. Okay. Then after, you have to execute the program. So in this one, we have to open to the some command prompt. Okay, in the execution purpose, we have to open the command prompt. On that command prompt, we have to compile them. What is the command of compile? Java C. What your file name? For example, Srinu. So Java C space Srinu dot Java. Then automatically the compilation will be coming. Okay. Then after you have to see the output. How to see the output is running. Okay, run the program. So on that run the program, we will see the Java Srinu. So then automatically the file will be run. Then automatically the output will be coming. What is that? Hello world. What is that? Hello world. So this line will be coming in the program. So this is the basic program of Java. So here we mainly import statement and some class declaration and some main method declaration. Then after we write the output statement. This is the syntax of Java code. Okay, these are the some different syntaxes is there in the Java. Then after we will discuss so one more program I wanna show you in the basic program of Java. So here you observe the program. So in the before we will write only output statement, but here we are taking to some input statements also. What is that input statement? So here the input statements in Java scanner. What is that? Scanner. Scanner dot out dot print. Then automatically the scanner scn equals to new scanner of system.in. Okay, this is the input statement. We have to create the object. So whenever Java you write the Java program, compulsory it will be create the object. Okay, so this is the object creation. What is that? This is the object creation. So how to create the object? The scanner class is there in the util package. Then on that scanner package, we have to take the scn equals to new scanner of system.in. We are giving to the input now. That's why you will write the system.in. So in this one, where the package will be there available in import java.util.scanner. So here public class test, we have to some class name is, we will give the test, then public static void main string args, same scanner, we have to create the object, then system.out.println enter name, we will type the name, then we have to, whenever you have to enter name, it will be coming, then string, we will take the string, the name is the variable, okay, scn dot next line, okay, then automatically the system will be asking for system.in, then automatically how to insert to the val. Scn is nothing but object creation, so then it will be sent to the request to the scanner, okay, then automatically the input statements will be taking. And one more thing I will be asking for, with the system.out.println enter salary also, I wanna tell asking the salary also we have to insert them. How to insert them? Int, what is that? Int is nothing but numbering, no, salary is nothing but int variable, int salary equals to scn dot next line, then automatically cursor will be going to the scanner object, then again system in will be asking, then you have to enter the salary also. So this is the process of going to the some input statement in the with using of scanner object, okay, scanner class, okay. Here some after completion of your salary, then scn dot close, then automatically the scanner will be close, okay, then system dot out dot println hello place name place your salary, okay, what is the your salary, how much it will be coming, it will be displaying hello your name, what you are entering the name, and your salary, what your salary is, okay, salary will be displaying hello Srinivas, my salary is from 30,000, like this way it will be displaying to the program, okay. This is the input and output statements in the Java, okay, input and output statements in the Java. So these are the first black one. In the black one, we have black one first unit. We finished the first unit. On that first unit, we discussed to the today topics. Okay. Okay. What is that? Today topic is first unit, introduction to Java language, and history and evaluation, and features of Java, and basic version of Java, that is nothing but JE8, okay, Java SE8, okay, that is the version, and we will discuss to the some of the low-word program, and some of the, what is that, some of the input statement and output statement of the Java, okay. Tomorrow we will give the example of unit 2. We will discuss to the unit 2 tomorrow, okay. Thank you very much.